Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Fidelity account documents securely online, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by gathering all necessary Fidelity account documents that you wish to backup. Ensure your documents are organized and readily accessible on your device. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to a secure cloud storage service. Consider using options such as Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive. Create an account if you do not already have one. Once logged in, locate the Upload button, often depicted with a plus sign or an upward arrow. Click the Upload button to select the documents from your device. Choose the Fidelity account documents you want to backup. For added security, consider creating a dedicated folder within your cloud storage for these documents. Name the folder clearly, such as Fidelity Backup. After the documents are uploaded, double-check to ensure they have been saved correctly. Next, enhance security by enabling two-factor authentication on your cloud storage account. This step will protect your account with an additional layer of security. To further safeguard your documents, consider encrypting them before uploading. Use encryption software or services to secure sensitive information. Once encrypted, upload the documents as you did earlier. Regularly review and update your backup, especially after any important account changes. Set a reminder to check your backup every few months. By following these steps, you can ensure your Fidelity account documents are backed up securely online. Stay proactive in managing and protecting your financial information. Always keep security as a top priority when storing sensitive documents online. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.